So let's get started on how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. Mailchimp is one such ESP, which is email service provider. There are many in market which you can try and use. So first, as we said, in email marketing, the best way to build audience is to get them subscribed to your blog. So we will also try and create this form, which is a subscribe form on Mailchimp, and try to integrate on our website. This is my Mailchimp account. I have just signed in. You can go to audience. You can go to sign up forms. And here you have options that how you want to build a form. You want to embed form, you want to put a subscriber pop-in, and you want to put a pop-up, you want to make a contact form, anything. So we can just try and use embedded forms as of now. So here it's showing me that what kind of form I want. I just clicked on condensed, the one which I'm using on my website. So it's saying if you want to include this title or not, and how you want the preview to be. And this is also giving you a code. This code has to be embedded on your website. The moment you embed it, you'll see this form on your website. So I copied this and I can edit out here. And this is an HTML widget I have put it here, and I have just pasted the code. And if you click on save, you are seeing this form here. So that's how, and now when people will hit on subscribe, anybody would be subscribed, and you'll also get a notification on Mailchimp that somebody has subscribed to your form. This is one such form. You can also do another form. Let's click sign up form. You can take first name, last name, email address. I go to form builder. Now let's say I want to create a sign up form, or for time being any form. Here you're getting an option to translate, design, and build it. So if you see, it's also giving you a URL. For example, this is one such form which is created here. You can add more fields here. Maybe you want to add text, number, button, checkboxes. It can be any type of form. Maybe you want to add birthday. You can add it here. I just added birthday. And maybe if you want to shift it, howsoever you want to go ahead with this. I just shifted it. Here you go, you see this icon. Maybe you can shift birthday. Let's say I'm shifting birthday here. For example, whichever form you want. And then all you have to do is share this particular URL. This is the form. Now you can even share it on WhatsApp, on any other medium, and the moment on your social media platforms. So whenever maybe you want to put it in your Instagram bio that subscribe to our newsletters. So you share this URL and anybody would see this form and would be subscribed again to your Mailchimp account. That's how you create audience, where you get them subscribed to your blog or your business website. And that forms would automatically come, and you can see in audience that who are subscribing. You can see the growth. For example, I have some contacts already here. And you can check out here. Maybe I'll just check the audience, view contacts. And you can see the segregation that, okay, these are the 2 people who have subscribed to this Embed form. Embed form is the one which I have put it on my website.